Hello everyone, welcome back to Skeledon, Bushcraft and Survival. Thank you very much for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing review on Vastfire's new green 2000 lumen hunting light. So let's go ahead and get the camera set up and see what it's got. Alright, let's go ahead and go through the stuff that comes with it. And then after I get out and I get it charged up and I see the light, how bright it is, how far it reaches, and so on and so forth, then I can come back and give you more info on that. But right now, it comes with a light. Now this right here has a C-style USB to charge it up with. Of course, it comes with a charging cable. And it also, you can charge your phone with it. One battery comes with it. It does in fact have a zoom. It has a warning symbol there for hot bulb, and of course it's domed off. They're pretty traditional about that. On every single one of the lights that I've seen, they have a dome to spread out and soften the light across, which is awesome. This thing right here has a little bit of weight to it, which you know you got it in your hand. I think it's really a good size personally. We'll see. Of course, it also comes in with an insert. Now you can have a choice whether you want to use the insert for 3 AAA batteries or you want to use the battery that comes with it. It comes with a pressure switch. You swap out this back part right here with this. And then you can mount it on your rifle or whatever for hunting. Like I said, it is a hunting light. And it's just a pressure switch, so you can turn it on and turn it off. It automatically turns on to bright. And of course some Velcro so that you can mount it, this part right here, to your stock. Then it comes with a couple of mounting brackets and an Allen wrench for this one right here. Now this one right here is to mount onto your barrel. You could possibly mount this onto a bow. You could also take this off. It's 2 parts, so you could take this off and put it on a Picatinny rail, and then this one right here, you can mount it to your scope. So I think it's really cool on what comes with it and everything. Let's just go ahead and get it out at nighttime and see how it shines. All right, what I got here is I've got my nephew. He's standing 400 yards down. I've got the camera on zoom, and I've got the brightest light on right now, and I'm shining it out there. See how clear that is? You can see that clear, that far away. Now that's on the highest beam. That right there is zoomed in all the way. And if I back it out, you can still see a little bit of him. There he is right there. Trying to, yeah. So that right there is half zoom. And that's how far that I have to push it out in order to be able to get him clear. And then if I take it all the way in to the rest of the way, you can see how that is. Now that's on high beam. Just check out how bright that light is. It 2000 lumens, every bit of it. And I'm going to show is the best I can here. Yeah, there we go. That's the power button. It lights up. It's a light indicator as well. And I'm going to go ahead and go down through the cycles. Now this is high beam. This is medium beam. Low beam. The next beam is a strobe. So just giving a warning before I do that. 1, 2, 3, go. And then has a flashing S.O.S. So it has 5 modes overall. So now he's up at 200 yards away. And that's on high beam, medium beam, low beam. And then I'll pull the thing away so I can do the other two so you don't have to see that. So, and that is 100 yards away, and this is low beam. So that just gives you an idea how far away that this light actually shines. Now that you're back here, you was out there 400 yards, and I had that shining on you. How far back behind you could you see?
Probably about another 400 yards.
Really?
Yeah.
Was you able to see all the way to the...
I could see the fences at the very, very end.
So that is really impressive with this light, I'd have to say. Now, before I close out on this right here, I do have to say that if anybody is wanting to pick this up, be sure when it comes to you to take the battery out, take the plastic wrap off of the battery, and then put the battery back in so that it will charge up properly. I keep forgetting to do that. All right. Well, that's that. Let's get back to the conclusion. All right, now for the battery, when it comes to you, it's already half charged, so it only took about an hour to get it the rest of the way. It charged up a lot faster than what I thought, but I charged it directly into the wall. Of course, if you charge it into a computer or something like that, it's going to take a little bit longer. So since it was half charged and it took about an hour, then from the wall, I'm going to say that it's probably going to take about 2.5 hours, depending, from all the way dead. Now this thing right here, with everything that comes with it, what it's for, I absolutely love it. As you saw, it does reach, does an excellent job. So if you're interested, I'm going to leave a link in the description to this right here. And I'm also going to leave a link to Vastfire's page there so that you can just go through and see any other lights that they have that might better benefit you. So that's going to be it for me. Thank you very much for coming along with me. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you very much for that. Leave a comment down at the, just letting me know if you did. A big old thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you, Vastfire, very much for allowing me to review this awesome light. All right, so that's going to be it. Thank you very much. Take care.